Hello everybody, my name is Ivan Ivanov and I work for SAP. In the last year I've been working in the cloud platform of the company as a performance engineer.
Hi, my name is Petr Petev and I'm the lead architect of cloud platform at SAP.
So obviously we would propose to talk about cloud. And why? Well, the cloud is a hype in the last few years. Everybody uses terms like infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service, elasticity, and everybody now is talking about some great products like Docker, Kubernetes, Mesos, Amazon Web Services, Google Compute Cloud, and things like that. And whenever someone that is new to the topic tries to step in the cloud area, he actually goes into a big mist. So our purpose for this submission, for this talk, is to demystify the cloud.
Okay, and for that we propose a session for Java 1 that is talking about the cloud. And it's basically in three sections, three chapters. First, we want to talk about the cloud as an abstract view of what cloud is, like what is infrastructure as a service, what is platform as a service, what is software as a service, what are the ingredients inside those things, like for example networking, load balancing, all the things that you have, storage, all the things that you have in infrastructure as a service. Then we will talk about platform as a service, automation inside, different runtimes, different OSs, management inside, lifecycle of applications, configuration, etc.
So if you want to use platform as a service offering, you either have to build it by your own, which as Petr explained involves many things in theory, or you have to choose one of the existing solutions by vendors, paid and free solutions. There are a lot on the market. The problem with the second option, with the first option, the problem is that it's a little bit hard for a newcomer, and for the second option the problem is that when you go to some vendor's solution, you are stuck in the boundaries of how the vendor sees the path. That's why in the second part of our talk we want to talk about how you can build a minimum viable platform as a service that you can both deploy locally on your PC and also deploy it into the cloud.
After showing how that's done in theory, we will show a demo of how one can build such a minimalistic platform using open source tools. For example, Docker for containerization of resources and processes. Then we will show how you can use Vagrant for developing also locally in the same way which you would develop in the cloud. We will need a runtime which will be a Java runtime based on TomEE, and of course services inside the platform, and the example service will be a database, MySQL database, and all of that will be managed by Kubernetes for cluster management in order to order your cloud as a topology. Finally, we hope that with this demo and this theory, everybody would be able to create their own minimalistic cloud, and from their extent in different directions also enable themselves to invent new things and not be bound by different vendors.
Thank you.
Thanks.